Okay, so we're gonna make some homemade deodorant. We're gonna start with some coconut oil. Just regular coconut oil. We like to use the generic or the organic coconut oil. So what you're gonna do with this is scoop in 1/3. We put it in a pan, a metal pan. This.
Very simple.
And it's actually 2/3 coconut oil. Is the base. Coconut oil, as you know, is really good for the skin. It's very good for you. So there's the other thirds. There's 2/3 coconut oil, preferably organic coconut oil. Okay. The next is beeswax, authentic beeswax, and you do about 2 teaspoons, but it's equivalent to kind of like what fits in the hand, what fits in the palm of your hands. You put that in, and then we have that. We let that heat up on very low heat, and we're going to let that heat up for a while. Take the spoon and we just kind of mix it up.
It's very simple.
Yeah, so let's let that melt down for a little bit first. Okay, so now the dry goods. We're going to use cornstarch, pure cornstarch, pure baking soda. So we have 1 cup cornstarch. Add that to the mix on low heat to keep it nice and fluid.
Yep.
See, it's a gold liquid. So we're going to add the cornstarch. Add the baking soda. And then 25 drops of frankincense. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. 25 drops. And then we use the same spoon and we mix it up carefully. We keep it on the heat so that it stays soft. Once you take it off the heat, it actually starts to get solid around the cold metal bowl. So we mix it up. See the little lumps in there? So we keep mixing it until the lumps are gone. Kind of turn it around. Try not to get it too high up on the sides because it sticks to the cold metal of the bowl on the top. Alright, so we mix that up. Smells good. Keep it on the very low heat.
Oh, it does smell good. I can smell it from here.
But now I can turn the heat off. That's it. So now I'm going to get the containers. Okay, so look at the sides of the pan. You see how it starts to get hard on the sides? That's because of the because of the beeswax.
Okay.
So we're going to give it a little stir. Okay, still warm. So I bring it over here while it's warm. This particular mixture, I'm going to use these standard shells, deodorant shells. Right. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into the shells all the way to the top, as close as you can without overflowing it.
It doesn't matter if it's lumpy, right? Because it'll.
Nope. Those lumps now are actually because it's solidifying. It's actually cooling.
Okay.
That's what those lumps are. So we mix it all the way, or pour it all the way to the top. You can actually see it drying on the metal bowl. All the way to the top. You can smell the frankincense.
Yeah.
Okay.
It smells good.
There's this last one. There. Now there's a teeny little bit left, but that's okay. And then we're going to let these cool. So I'm actually going to put those. Okay, so now we're going to put these little micro filler caps in. These little inserts. They're going to go in the top here to make sure. This is after they've been refrigerated for some time. This will make sure that they don't spill out. And then take a cap. We pop on the cap. That's it.
Okay.
So we're going to do a floral label next. So we take our label. Kind of hard to get off. We peel it off. Then we put it on the front. We wrap it around the back side. Boom. There's our floral deodorant. And then fresh one, which is the frankincense.
The men's.
The men's one. It doesn't have to be men's. Some people like because it's
Yeah,
it's
it's just frankincense.
It's frankincense,
I mean, I like
yeah.
it too.
So we put this on. Then watch out for the bubbles. We wrap it around. And you kind of spread it with your fingers like this, and that gets all the bubbles and bumps out like this. And then we have both. We have our floral and our mountain fresh. So it's frankincense, and then the other one is the floral.
Right.
Floral essence.